Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. The best beef rendang. Cheat rendang. I always make this recipe with some onions, and I have a white one, a sweet one, and a red one. And we're gonna use them in our beef rendang. And I'm gonna use them two ways. One, finely chopped, and the other half roughly chopped. And you can then taste the onions better in the dish, but it also gives the flavors of the small ones. Also gonna do that with the red onion, and it is a little bit of spicy onion, and I like some spice in my food. Now the onions are sliced, and we're gonna put them away for now. They will be very delicious. And I said cheat rendang, so we're gonna use this pre-made rendang boembo, and it's really delicious. I made them many times. We're gonna use 2 packages. Also we're gonna use some canned jackfruit. And there's no rendang without some coconut milk. And we're gonna use 2 cans of it. I really like the taste of coconut. And yes, beef, and I pre-cut the beef in about, 2 centimeter pieces. Make it how you like it. We're gonna first start with some oil and really heat it up. Then we're gonna sear the meat, and I'm going to do that in batches. I don't have a really big instant pot, so batches will be fine. There, first batch is done. And the meat looks really good. And it smells already really good too. Now I'm gonna scoop it all out and then do it all again. Pan juices to caramelize our onions. And I will do the smaller ones first. Really let them become friends and let them sweat together. But hey, I have a third friend for them. I'm gonna add some garlic. And I used about 3 garlic cloves for this. And they will be happy together. They will be absolutely amazing friends. Our meat can go back in the Instant Pot. Give it a good mixing. I'm adding the bigger onions now. They don't have to sweat, they just can relax with the rest of the meat. Adding the pre-made boembo. Oh man, the smell already is amazing. I really like this one. And I always add 2 of those packages. I just like the flavor, and it has to be really intense. Another good mixing, and then we're gonna add our coconut milk. And I always do 2 cans, because I like the coconut flavor, and it really has to be part of the dish. So 1 can I always found not enough. So 2 is better. Now, 1 final mix, and then we can put the lid on. Oh, and I forgot the jackfruit. That's an important part of the dish as well. I put it on pressure cooker, on high, for 25 minutes. That should be enough. Now, let's pressurize. Oh, let's depressurize. And man, this takes some time. 3 hours later. Yeah, I was exaggerating. It's about 1 minute. Now, look at that. But it's not ready. It's really watery. And I don't like watery rendang. So we're gonna use the saute mode. Mine says simmer, but it's saute. And we're gonna do it 3 times 15 minutes. And you'll see it becomes really delicious at the end. Now, this is the first time. The second time. This is 15 minutes later. It's still runny, but it's getting there. Now, this is about 30 minutes. And it's thickening up really good. And I don't want to use cornstarch. I want to do it naturally. Now, this is 45 minutes. And yes, this is the consistency I want. Really thick rendang. And I think it's about plating time. When it comes to plating, I don't really have an idea how to plate this. But I used a bowl and put about in 3 spoons of it. And I also like to eat cucumber with it. But you also can add some rice if you want. But I like this just the way it is. And man, let me tell you, it's delicious. This rendang and the cucumbers is so good combination. Check it out and make it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my beef rendang. And it's a bit cheated not making my own boembo, but hey, I'm lazy. If you're new, I hope you subscribe to my channel. If not, give me a like and leave me a comment. And as always, see you next time.